Hello, I'm Design Guy. Today, I'll show you how to make eye-catching splash animations in Canva step by step. Click the Create button, then choose Videos. For this tutorial, you can select mobile video as your format to get started quickly and easily. Next, go to the Elements tab, and in the search bar, type Splash to find splash-related design elements. You will now see this element appear here on your screen. Let's use this element. Select it by clicking once, then drag it onto your canvas to add it to your current project layout. Type fish into the search bar and press enter. Browse through the listed fish options to quickly find the specific fish image you need. Next, add the file by clicking the Add button. Locate your file on your computer, select it, and confirm. The file will now appear in your project workspace, ready for further editing and use. Delete this section by selecting it and pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Click on the element, open the animation panel, select Add Animation, choose Send In, and finally, add the pop effect. To add a pop effect, first select the element you want to animate. Then, open the animation menu and choose the pop option. Preview your animation to make sure it looks correct, then play the project to see the effect. Add an animation to your object by selecting it and choosing your preferred effect. To watch the animation, click the play button. If you want to see the animation repeat, simply press play again. This lets you preview how the animation will look in your presentation. To submit your work, simply click the Turn In button. This finalizes your assignment and sends it to your instructor. Confirm your submission if prompted, and you're done. To add another fish, click the Add Fish button located below your aquarium display. Select the fish species you want from the list. Adjust its size or appearance if needed. Then confirm your selection. Let's do the same for Amen. Select Amen, then add the Animate effect. Copy the animation settings you used earlier, then paste them onto Amen to keep everything consistent. Next, select the text where you want to add the Stomp effect. Click to add Stomp from the Effects menu. Adjust the timing and position as needed to match the rest of your animation. Play back the sequence to ensure everything is in sync and looks smooth. If needed, fine-tune the effects to achieve your desired result. Add a blank slide at this point in the presentation to create a smooth transition between the previous and next sections. This blank slide gives your audience a moment to process the information before moving forward. To do this, go to the slide panel, right-click, and select New Slide. Then, remove any content to leave the slide completely blank. Click the Flow button to start exploring automated processes within your workspace environment. To create a smooth transition, start by selecting the clip where you want the effect to begin. Click to highlight it. Next, go to the toolbar and click on the Transitions tab. Browse the available transitions and choose one that fits your style. Drag your chosen transition between the desired clips on the timeline. Adjust the duration by clicking and dragging the edge of the transition icon until you achieve the desired length. Preview the effect by pressing the play button. If you want to fine-tune the transition, double-click on it to access further settings such as fade or direction. Repeat these steps for additional transitions needed in other parts of your project to maintain a consistent flow. Remove the transition by clicking on it, then press the Delete key. Next, select the Chop tool from the toolbar. After that, click on the timeline where you want to make your cut. Finally, press the play button to preview your changes. Once you've completed your edits, click the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. Select the Download option to save your project directly to your device. Choose your preferred file format and quality settings, then confirm your selection. The download process will begin, and your file will be saved to your designated Downloads folder automatically. To save your project as an MP4 video, select File, choose Export, then pick MP4 format, and click Save. Hope you enjoyed making splash animations in Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more creative tips.